Jimmy. Na Jude growing. Well, 2 minutes to 7 at 106.3 FM. Yeah, quite any moon. Ebusia, COVID Ariano, our hopper. Michelle Obo, Sammy Bar. And Pennyphobia, one more, and one gun, and Hanuma. COVID Yadi, anyone more call one more cretchy. And a pace, will share the inside the Bocrat anymore. Sana Mokran so Eddie. Similar story. APMO Democrata no emu. Enti Ushema coronavirus kills top guns as the headline. Say one day, Ora Joshua Tremi, National Security Coordinator. I shouldn't know COVID Sano COVID. Ora Joshua Tremi. I didn't call acquire Rehosempa. So and Ora Kwesi Pratt in India. Ora Nana Bain Pratt. One also COVID Korea. Ora Nana Bain Pratt. Now or a lecturer our Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration. Eti say eya say COVID no offering obia bia no aye lecturer gempa COVID ne tackle no a e de ne ko aye mabusha nyina yako asam no ayre ho but ye bobo side nyina say na be ya obehunu say yare no ewo ho and COVID is no respecter of person fa ho na usika also wo and our political affiliation. Second strain of crowd, yes, near money, who say, what would just say, and show symptoms be out. And I will share reports of Ryan Saka. Mabunu, one more, and baby. It's a canino and a drain a question. Oh, when about 55, 60 years, 70 years, if our immune system, no, I a week. You see, I'm ranting, and I know 27-year-old man. 27. I know the feel fine. And now for 4, I didn't call hospital. Oh, I know the feel fine. The few week make you give me wheelchair. 1 minute try wheelchair. And I'm for you cry one more no. Because now for say be a growing a wood. Wheelchair anymore no ya call lab, chance no kwa lab no. What the wheelchair at the few hot. And I'm for Jane at the few hot will be in the shirty buttons. I know the few breathe. Charlie, I know the few breathe. And now for the guy Charlie, relax. We they come do lab no that you go take bed, then you go rest. You be stressed, relax. I know the few breathe now. Ukraine down for Bako Jan in Chensa. I can't quite atunechi. Walk up. Na esha se fifie na ye de akwa adwumam ye de akwa kam metre trotrom ana taxi na fe ye de akwa sori dem sam ye me nyina ye me ase ye bu ye ni guso a hazo wenye he Eda ye koye Thanksgiving Memende na Action Chapel. In fact, ame mo mabaso. One fan your men near crack. Through one, send your umbe check you. Yes, what in your apostle. One more chamber, one more gremna disinfect you. What in your apostle. Well, a sunny. Yes, what in your apostle. And a Ghanaian Times. Story be aware in my praise for Fen one more Ebe Soja. Nafe one more share. Yes, what in your apostle. I said, you may have penny this up a praise for San Yene. And so can I say, Yajina Quine one. Yenya check your stick and no family can any more than Fe and no didn't come back from you in a face. And near my pass near the it's a carry on. So we shall mask, I won't shall mask him beside. Not what you can now call. Some way any part of us and more kind. Social distancing say, yeah, Juma Bass in him. Yes, Shashi. Yamakano, Kwanakano, and Nemusa. And Edinama Ediagra. Now we have a second, a new strain, Menkanasa. A new strain. Oh, your front page of the Ghanaian Times, sir. Police strategize to enforce mandatory wearing of nose masks. Well, it's here. But you are so. Yeah. Mention como chucheno ase. Na joining me on Facebook. I don't know 6.3 FM ewo Facebook. Mene Executive Director Education Watch Africa. Ura Kofi Asare. Mene no entwetwe enkobo. Ura sa wetemenka.
Metonka.
Awode wo hode.
Nyame adom. Amoswe.
Yegusun kakra. Ma mema mummoni adwuma. Enura na metie o on yedwumadi edi na nwumre yi won ABY. Na me hu se utu anamon bi a eye pa na enura mofra no she school ase na wo ka se wankasa waba pro woni team about 120 schools enura eden na huni ura sare
yo mitia etiefo nyina enura ye team no if you assess a monitor a school reopening process na ye ko school bia ye no bia ye monitor e dey kind na ye PPs no it stands PPs no na e ya akade a school for no and am ye djuma ho and additional for no om be use the album mobile nti ye kwa ye PP no om nsa kana say about 98% of schools are calling now among Sanka PPEs here.
Government schools are now private schools.
Oh, government schools.
Okay.
Now you want to say PPEs, in do district to be crampo. In do district no crampo, in do district no cram, do why na Apple schools. And you want to say I just ask will be a PPE. Hona if you say inquiry and I inquiry and says this should be brought my people can put do hoye and when you may say in your conscience then when maybe say 8-9 the more if you not PPs to be fair cra and see PPs no delay there a widespread and who is over school si one more or be school electoral BC so na e bi kai liquid soap no ene sanitizer e bi kai na omo use no for the meantime nti baby a obekwa bo nso omo wo bi no omo say o ne use last kakra bi kai ene ni but EPI the dispatches say en schools no there en konko do ye
okay now but what is the plan for distribution say ubi say moi rasare
distribution plan say ebedu education office one more district capital one more na ya from some brand omomba meji no makwa kwaje na geta akra you say district do one more aba bedu but onko fo nko yede onko je geta akra okay enti balance ano you bisa say because first no yeah reported the command education ministry time yeah reopening first one you say challenge that bill the catcher about say it needs to crata you actually need a planning memorandum at the command school reopening committee and the education ministry say delays yeah about PPP we yeah and can decentralize CDC Toron because now you're Toron and not the senior minister in the office they be do a Nkono primary no na a delay in Tankebeya Yama district no enter more PPs because so education officer biano almost check for thousands education office bia what district biano on manage about 100 schools it is obi to manage 100 schools a check for thousands no but some catchers are need capacity some top just PPs liquid soup going to bucket near there unti yammo no mon to o ma de na yenjai centralized procurement because the main cause of delay you catch buy no you catch the to buy no o man fan you you only say the same mistakes July and August now no till I so to them no akra e dey ko anything the main cause of delay second cause they say if you go see the network they say why am I contract if I didn't ban no yen kase fa bra school one mo na we say that kind e we join the memorandum no say Obia did with the bar. Omo fan ko school ho. Mo mu nja ne ma ne engu education office on because schools e brebe na ya na omo ni sika. Capitation grants and buy. Yem pese we be ka say oh sika ni ho nti time of am fan ma no. Be brena last year be brena kofa because na omo ni sika na capitation grants and buy. Ya ne conference of heads of basic schools for na kasai. Omo conference am ba. Capitation grants ni ho sika ni ho. Nti no 2 days, 3 days, na yon kofa ne mane. So na ne mana buy what district education officer no. Che catch am say be ya, ye man kofo no, suppliers no. Omo do a omo fanko school direct. Fanko school direct. Say de be ya delay behind the embem. And also am fan you. And no, I don't know a delay because procure centrally wakra hanu. E try do district one more na ya say jato education services. Omo fi nkrase mere e fa ka me fa. Scale one more na si one more. And into the agenda is bibia and free lessons are in July na you be a school and August no. Yeah, agenda in your will be in for and you have a side discussion with you know.
This is serious, but the various schools and will call government schools. One would need plans to procure some of these PPs on their own without having to maybe depend on near a fin crying to Tomwa Kwakodru Paga and a fin crying to Tomwa Kodru Hafasini and Sana Omanya PP Diamamofrano.
The way basic schools are running. So what you say, I won't say impossible. First, Nanka PTA for better support. But you see, I'm a PTA and you're good. I buy it sounds like PTA is no school to be. PTA is not to me, every PTA dues. They are genius. I ban now. And because of that, in the Ghana Education Service, I cancel PTA, PTA because of this homogen. And it's PTA in your view. Basic schools, PTA behind age my view because of this on my council. And you know, that's the only source of income at school to be. But maybe about 2 years, 3 years, in PTA anyhow, because of this I cancel. And until the school, no, so I'm between Amumbia, this I buy this car come home. Capitation grants was on the CIAB school generally. Say, almost a capitation grant. A baby a match, May, June, Nephi almost a first tranche. Academic and fears, yeah. Our first tranche of capitation grant ban, not first term no cry and a second term, and some is like a first tranche of capitation grant. And until basic school, no, almost fund be almost in the years and now. Be beard now. aban so the delay bape I am not shocks no or more effectively because the only source aban the only source of a year where they want to be now also private schools no so private schools no so almost on my brepa you call private schools be a call Russia Ablekuma Central school can see we can very back at one pet in this school in fee one pet in this school company fee and all the students one pet 3 private schools they call Ablekuma Central one pet in this school kono oh ultimately bread because 10 months the omunya cd omunje school fees that for 10 months into the man ko yi into a buy fast bucket na any am ba eh din mo pa so me dey o meet me apesika said ya we say na basic school from the only pesika na
yeah
that's not private for so no omuntu me nyeske bia because they've been without any cash flow for over 10 months into no eh din pa say that man o meet me no in the right quantity here
okay
now PPEs no so we now one and not 2 pair and only issue no near 10 say classroom behind him I did in the classroom behind him no say bucket in this one what if them kolano omo rom sa na da ne quarter so wo hono mo every hour behind for unsa fatima wo unsa e wo say ye quarter utumi obonika to me imbibe quarter na wo fiase esua se dia ye ne virus e betna enti aye say bia wo de PP when ka back back si compound so na akwa na ma no ni hwia na ko debi e wo say wo classroom gate na because OP no o remu no but we go school every no we ka back no omo be 2 na e wo 1 on say there is an school building 6 unit classroom block
yeah
it no it tifi no na back si ho na the other side is back si we say 2 pellets the whole corridor so e balance and say we say you are not encouraging the washing of hands because the class they are about 40 or what 6 times 4 240 students we want to mean to back every room and number of room just once a day which is not what we want and you know people you know when ka bucket no in the right quantity everything promote to sa culture of washing hands because it has to be in front of every classroom it be as a primary school there was 6 in the class 1 there is here in the teacher ni chef akolebia via that oba na aye culture yehu sa abibi sa na egote and then no ye twa ban asori na so say sa nema we dey delay 1 day covid no oma allowance covid nim say oh sorry why late and then na me there be you just one mistake 1 delay 1 hour delay 2 hours 1 day delay and a covid no able to take advantage there's nothing like oh a delay just 1 day there's nothing like just 1 day.
But sorry, Ransa will call you share social distancing. In fact, class sizes. We do class B. Or me be 60. Or me be 70. In a class already. Mate Adrian Chirebi said one more encore in streams. First stream, second stream, third stream. Uko then I'm winning. If the class size na face social distancing no.
You keep no schools are calling 80% of schools are calling network. Crocasium, district capitals, and regional capitals. Now, the average class size is 60.
60. 60. Okay.
60. In class schools in the area, averagely about 28, 30. But Crocasium, no, average no, 60. You work as for example. So we call Atimota Basic School, we have 65. We call OEB Primary Junior School, we have 70 and 80. We call Ashaman Basic 70. Internet say, average class size is 60. But so we share guidelines at genius for ADB school last year. Now it will be a school I anti Bonibia, Yena Bo, or Mabasona, Yena Boy Abaso, Awofa Baso, Tiafabasona. Class Biana Nkola 30 in the room. Into guidelines, we say maximum 30. But GS issue guidelines about last week Friday.
Yes.
You want to say page 3 and Osha, or they compare old guideline now, last year guideline now. Difference the woman is page 3 no. So maximum class of 39 old guideline in last year. This year they no only free. and almost throw photocast say. The teacher didn't say the classroom unbearably higher, uncontacted district education office. No more class.
And no, how much class you're saying unbearably high. And son teacher no about be reported and son of my BB. Is that it?
And you know 30 now. First now a maximum 30 class. Now page 3 of 2020 guidelines. No, 2021 guidelines in page 3 now. But the same thing. You feel unbearably high share. It's one mad discretion. Guideline no matter what guideline. My guidelines say that was share.
Yeah.
I'm at schools no more this.
Yeah.
But you see, I know one my discretion. Into normal discretion and the guideline credit because the basis are the big demand accountability in council. Including Yakoso said teacher for no schools no or more price or you will more price on bear avoid say or more back shift system because when some cost system I say you catch teacher for someone try the and go see 430 until because of that unbearably high you can do that.
Okay.
To record repair 60, almost okay. 70, okay. So also unbearably high. Until they are managing it, until unbearably high.
Ora sorry, ubejina so ama me yetia ye ora kwasi obin fusu. Kwasi low radio no, dum radio no kra waka ni mami. Bacho. Dum no, kwasi ben. Kwasi. Kwasi dum radio no kra mami. Dum no.
Hello.
Kwasi.
CJ.
What do you mean, CJ
Udem.
Okay. Kwasi Obin for Su Ekasa the Ministry of Education. Kwasi Akwaba.
CJ no pay me Joso. The chat to Fiata.
Menene na etwetwe nkomo on guidelines are last week. Mode ebetuja. Class size. What is what has been the agreed class size for schools as they are reopening? Kwasi.
So you make sure one of share with for so. May you question na Kofia can be say be ya. No,
yebeko nsam na we raise no on the PPs near you yebeko but we now be PS unti respond na fi wi a yenkoyachi.
So what we say the last time you started gradual reopening of schools the class size the senior high schools no abroso are 40-45 is acceptable.
Senior high schools abroso are 40-45 in a classroom.
No, 30. That must be 30-25.
That was size I am. Now your basic schools in this one near 30-35 is also acceptable. But people are working within the range of 40-45. Which is if you can ensure that classroom lesson now better take them on. That puts an average of 20 desks in the class. And I don't know, Emma is me ensure the needed social distance.
No, what is the policy? So okay, say 30-35, 40-45. You are not being specific.
The reason why a range with the difference of 5 and say, class 0 if you are now 41 because why but it shouldn't be more than 45. So we are working with you, which is acceptable. So just
really?
Thinking you know 40 prepare now about prepare that one. No problem so no for the next class. Or no for now. You know class is be over 40 because we are 70. We take about 35, which is also acceptable. If you on ma we are 60, we take about 30, which is also acceptable. You know ya kind of no. We can say 40 40. The class in here class of 50 or 40 new year 10 no next year they are going to form another class. You know, instead of so 46, you know, or 25. It is also acceptable.
Okay, question back about yeah, fan common to firm. What was the class size before COVID? Not class size, you know, saying question.
Your schools look crowd here. Your class size, acceptable class size crowd here. It is still within the range of 40-45, even before COVID. What does it? Your classes are sizes look cost could be 60, maybe 70. 80 classes are more the normal class size. They don't have any problem. Because when it's 20 desks, as you see, classrooms are your classes are existing for you. When it's 20 desks, you see on normal. That's also ensure social distance. You can do it easily. But classes are overwhelmed by the numbers. You know, our Muko within the region of 70 or more. No, I want to teach more. You will get a class size of 30 or 35, which is also acceptable. You see, the Makaka one is the reason why Kofi Kase, Yama guidelines, the teachers should look at the size and then see what they can do to manage, you know. CJ, and when we be armed for COVID, but we should be innovative. This is the time of saying, you're back together. You're innovative. It's not about just identifying faults and as pointing out mistakes. It is how we can make it work.
No, but Kwesi, if we are not able to point out these little faults, I mean, then we may be fighting a lost battle. If you agree with me.
So that is the reason why we have asked the teachers. Teachers, to mind you, and yes, they are immune to COVID, and that's when we are superhumans. We don't put your call from what they've been young. They are also cautious. So they are also being careful. School administrators are equally being careful. You need down here, trying to be innovative in the classroom as a classroom manager. Which numbers here are also okay. My main team, your whole view, maybe here. That is what we have asked them to do. It is a community, school community. Your halls are during class I was seeing you to. There were places of worship during class I was seeing you to. Therefore, that is living call. Yeah, so exams are. Yeah, that is living call verandas name. Even now, people learn from the windows and the verandas. Yeah, yes, now, sure, say as much as possible. No, they're very innovative enough. They from a social distance. One way or the other. It is yeah, they are not too dry. And you say they are relaxed at the end. But at the end, you know, in the situation. You say, COVID by Amo Bianca. It will be a will be a for such a be a will be a and one day be useful. That's a useful. You find ways and means are. You bet you may use so I been your own for so. I still I know you're very sure the safety protocol. Sally a partner. You can't say Cincinnati, then 70, and I'm saying, say, be innovative. No, now so make somebody 70 to win election. Only join the side in it as a classroom manager, you are putting yourself at risk. That's how the Crown so life. Okay. You find ways of ensuring say, obey BB. Obey social distance now Juma. 6 system here can your teachers are not willing to do it, And yet teachers never tell them nothing. The district now, the amount district to me. So we share district now schools, if you on my population more than brochure. Who district director of education who knows when show. Just ask school to be run shift. And the teachers and I can say a percent and 9%. It's when you know, you have approach and ADB taking notes. Yes, it will be net to say, yes, okay. Because teachers any director is no. What is that decision? It is CJ. After they start here, you point out mistakes and quite so. But me and kind of said, yeah, your mistakes are done. They could anymore. They will be on the so. Okay, and they might go up and share how best.
Okay.
How quickly or swiftly we respond to them? And I bet you say,
okay, Kwesi, you remember the issue of PPEs, so but answer no. Mamintia say before COVID, no, not approved class size, so I watch 40 to 45, correct?
That is right.
Okay, and during COVID, so and also so what you say approved size, and also still 40 to 45, correct?
So she class of 40 to 45. Yeah, classrooms here, you can put as many as 30 to 40 benches. That's the classroom here. It is class of 40 to 45. You are just putting 20 desks in there, and that is spacious enough. So we do that class size. Teaching in Samsung. There are a lot of schools that classes in 40 to 45. Even the approved one in but the friends and Colano and numbers in but they are still in there. Be a 20, be a 29, be a 30. Even in our basic schools. Even in our basic schools in our cities, every so bruswa essential. It is like we are trying. We should be innovative. We should find ways and means that we won't put ourselves at risk. It is a call. Near control, baby. That is not about yes, school idea. Yeah, you overwhelmed. You have said innovatively. Yeah, maybe reduce class size now. Yeah, you also. This is the time. I are not in normal time. This is the time. I am moving forward, you can even say, class, Musa, now 45 required to go on better. Further, you can reduce them. Maybe I'll be young climate classroom, teaching and learning. There are so many ways to go about it. It is a whole crowd now. Didn't crowd the call. No, but it's in Temwa. You need against it.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Now you have to say, now fast now why? Say by your teaching and learning the course.
Okay.
Because COVID here, you need some of the call. It is crowd the vaccine. Now you get it. Say the corner, say the question. You need. You mean case? You're ready. You're saying, you know, you're now on the answer every answer. It's how we can go about it. I then show the enhanced safety protocols. I have covered with the amount. I just say trying here, yeah,
okay. Because PPEs do not send them provided.
I cannot put a figure to it, but it's many workers saying all regional education officers receive PPEs, you know. The instruction was that Osaka making sure that I do district office.
Since when? Since when Osaka can't have PPEs?
Yes, started distribution of PPEs, you know. The last meeting was on Thursday. The started distribution of PPEs on Thursday. So those clothes are not got there earlier. They look Friday any weekend, you know.
Because as a tenra a joy na schools ni bebre wo honoma wo mo ensan kan PP if I many orasa ka say see pe onra ono an rounds are wo ye or just say about 98% of schools wo many PPs ni bi
about say
98% in kan hanom potem haya wo mo e course ha aprobo no he's on the line or homa so
I see 98%.
Yes.
Oh by CJ, you know that cannot be true. That cannot be true. That's it. The air pro na in a year now. I don't know. Even in Kumasi and Ra, Namen Kumasi, I don't know. More media house is even in Yomkoi. Kumasi, almost all the schools in the city. Of BRPP is very market. You'll be BR across the vessel. And you know, we did too much in your school, Diana, and so I can't get us now. Because districts, you know, you're quite a second. They shouldn't sit down for the schools to come for the PPE. It is the schools be Adambeka or Horn. So only school be bang. That school be in Yanidia. It means the PPEs are in. Then a minute and an hour be metum Emma and Grano number without nose mask here. The so also two and among now office Kodia and say make can be captured to say, I don't be sabbaty schools now. But this could be anyone by the car for capitation grant. Apart from some idea, first of all, schools be anyone by the car for capitation grant. Even when you lock it down, the last capitation grant, you try it. You know, say, a sky, the best car, but you say, it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, can say people singing there. Then yeah, cano radio so send a mobile question. No, once you see baby, that's to tell you say I didn't know it's in circulation. I didn't know it is in distribution. It's young in I am what. My aunt now got a bind the deba. I buy the so be school. It's here the encounter. I buy the engine. It is obvious that we know Unya. People still quite over 2 and a month. I quite Jody. My aunt town buy and yeah, buy.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. What's me that say? Razari.
Your friend is saying, one say you have a discussion on education. Not say especially in the area about COVID education. I was very unnecessary for ourselves. Now you're very serious. To be honest with you, we need to be very serious. And yet time I was say yeah propaganda. You can't near my say you can't because yeah PR. COVID in him are there any PR. So we lose guard say the man penny car and say yeah let your guards down. COVID will take advantage of us. Say you be cut there and only a solution to COVID issues. I mean they can until say discuss COVID education issues. Let's be very, very serious because it's a matter of life and death. It decline. School reopening guideline now, GS, ADB school last year, July. Me say page 2 of the school reopening guideline. Paragraph 3, splitting of classes. Or as part of ensuring that schools observe social distancing protocols. Heads of schools must fundamentally adhere to the splitting of all existing classes to ensure that at senior high school level, no class is larger than 25. And at the junior high school level, no class is larger than 30. But yeah, you're about to like a young kind of cray. Now, you can't say a bit, propaganda, may PR. I am not discussing having a company like substance. But now we are not doing service, good service to our listeners. Now we are not learning. If we don't learn, how can we move forward? Because I did not come here to fair or guideline anymore. And so people say 40 or 45. And yes, sir. That's the only way it's not ball minor name cost war. And every creative person says everything is fine, everything is fine. When indeed no, I can't hear the clear. A tosun you know. The CIO high. GS Minister of Education Lipano. On mention one district pet Iowa water region. I want to use alcohol. On mention one pet. We are once I mention school dean, just one school pet. 2021-22 academic year I started no. Omonsa aka omoka grant. Ombo ba one pay, just one pay, and put one pay. And some actual discussion with so. We should stop doing this kind of things. Say you become say application grant. Application grant that be coin. 2021-22 academic year if you are day one no. That be na application grant coin. Application grant be school no. Not second what into the your mind for making some my end. We shouldn't just be saying something nice.
Kwesi,
let's speak the truth. We can resolve the structural.
Okay. Sorry. Kwesi. Enra Fadama government school here wo Fadama heya. Me point juma. Meba. Enra me fa ho. Me free ho me call abeka motorway JHS. I war Tabora abeka motorway JHS. Also me fa ho. And in fact, the issue of class size, man who said I mean, the few classrooms are McCoy, man kind crano, and Mofra over 50 in a classroom. In a classroom over 50. Over 50. I become motorway JHS. I was there yesterday. Me point in the call. Ain't you know? At Mota Basic School. I at Mota any room. At Mota Basic School. No, kind nipa 40. Hello. Number the kind of question. Almost 60. The discussion I heard the basic school. Yes, be 80. You can on ground. Me have any constructive discussion for capitation in the implementation of the policy. Except for the academic year, started. That's what I said. It is a conflict as ministry 2021-20 this academic year capitation grant is not being fair. I didn't say that. Also the capitation grant, where's an okay? Capitation grant in this school be except that on this school it means that you paid. Capitation grant. After several months. Let me say, after that many will say, yeah, this school be for capitation grant. Schools be apart from the starting. And when you're starting, let me say apart from the starting. Now the old joke say, you understand me say school be na capitation grant for this academic year. That not be fair. Well, I can't cry. I didn't also my custom now so channel. You see, two. Say the guidelines, we speak to the guidelines. Classroom size. The previous guidelines Now we bought 40 to 45 countries in the corner. You should remember that time now yes that space. Because now form 1 form 2 for linear. So we could put the figure to 8. And then you share communication about first. Some of the general address say media phone. Say classroom size very near Kotiwom. You see a class not less than 40 to 45. It's actually in our Casa, not say only on your privy to other materials. But you can be for the kind of it is not that coming from me was not at all. It is a mimic can't be not only your privy to the American. You can just say yours, but don't try to tell people say the American we both the same Namaka, which is also not fair. It is anyway. Some because the capitation guy in this school be a car. It is a fact you can check from all the schools. Say capitation guy avoid your mukana. After me a school, it has been a capitation guy based on who data or the member. So it is also a fact. Say no Maya. You cannot just say a base school and a capitation guy. But the question is, why do we even have to wait until school reopens and sana capitation grant and what's him?
Capitation grant now, yes, can watch them. Yeah, well, how are you in this job for 2 years? Who had teacher no one amount of member. Maybe it's not such a capitation grant. It's necessary, sorry, and that's school piano. That tells Canada, Canada. You know how are you?
It is we are on say we are now start out there. You know, you see, TJ, the start here, come medical class, and yet, come on, you did score points, and you be a school. You show how we can manage the situation and ensure say safety of young colon teachers ne obiano paramount. It is a common echo on that tangent. Now, our form of fear, Omano Ebeko school, no, Omania assurance, and Pine to say no, a cononym, but say now, it's yes or no, Yana also. Now, you can say about PPEC. Let's not also forget that this is a gradual opening of schools. Senior high schools are all Ghana. PPEs are required for final year students. And that's what but they can use those PPEs. I have very bucket. Never and say, apart from tissue papers, name, hand sanitizers, and never which you can just go and replace now. Very buckets, name, thermometer guns near the coin. They are still there. They're sending from to school coin. They're trying to supply PPE to these same schools.
Ebiaka ni amu supply ebra ye gradual opening no ebiaka nti omo fa no enhase ansa no musaka ni amu distribute no. Is that it? What's it mean?
TJ, so uko senior high school the mekano me do ko senior people is supply on 2 occasions. Ebi kwa ye bia ma bro so ma obeko no medical bucket na ka school bi which is obviously a private school no akopɛ no. Thousands of secondary schools maybe medical buckets they are having no less than 6. I am on 2 schools no. You see
no the whole corridor of about 12 classrooms me hu Veronica buckets mienu pe ba ku si end ha na ba ku so si end classroom bia no hono ma na Veronica bucket isi ano so se me boa me poma be hia mo adwam ha na me fa nko abeka motorway JHS
me no ka se me na motorway me kote my area
sawa chibra na me poma me fa nko na ye fa camera ndi achi na me nko kire wo
ati asem na ye kan medical ka se enye achinye ne ye di o
na they have more than they also okay. So baby on my they have more than they also okay. The baby a been no and just a been call. It's more tour. And no tama they are to take Yabako Bruno. Okobiano. It's not 6 or more 4. That is also granted. Moreover, no, Yasa the car say as part of your request. No, I will follow MYN. Parents MYN. Society is okay. Sakani free here for school. What you say? Okay, I went to go for the diabetes. It was so I said DSF first, no. Over so that Sakani is safe. What yes, I'm wanting. It is the country the Yama Canada to say. Now, no, and I know when they are called. Also, yeah, no, essentially. A collective at the end of the article. About the first idea, no. You go for buy more. People came to give us a PP. Old boys, old girls, the support here. Thousand of us, yes, say, Obiama, Obiama, boy. Now, the end. And your argument, and your way will be away, and your Macquarie being your thing like you too. But your man, a uncle will be so many day. If you have a being in order to dramatic, Mr. McQuay, they call my bomb for money. Yeah, that's right, this situation. I don't know schools for more than schools for money. So, our reason for that, the only reason being many there were 2-1 among because at the end of the canoe, and yet I did go, it is a one that's a crowd to our school manager and I district director. Why sure say over 2 and a mono swiftly. Not be big some other lady about the cow. Okay. Education I am. We are not going to just identify for. We need to help the system to work. Yes, yes.
Kwasi, Yamano, I'm here safe. Yamano, when we are safe, Omuko school, are they safe?
Yamiadum, senior, David,
and Fanyamiadum Nikai, Bacho. Eduma per mo ankasa as a ministry maye e man your man one we safe and find am yadum crash.
Of course I didn't say ensure hands protocols no I make sure say teachers are ya mom tetie uko senior school you COVID teams class still and in existence almost so boy is supervising and monitoring say you na play a role you make sure say one got our safety here first and second watch the next person. And one of the sister station meeting come on. One of the doctors, Marco, I thought can say, come to fight it properly. No, one got out John financial will be. I said, if I now all bear on financial will be. It's an answer on person with the end of the other call. At the end, I'll be so this is so 3 more. The protocol said that to Jan, who be super perfect. It is a Yanusa, Yinano, you be safe say the dan nyina no you sorry kwa adwuma ba me ba wo hono mu bedi nkomo every studio ko ami fa corona ana ko bi den ko fie no sa so ne yes say yen kola yi ko yi kwa fa so ye kwa adwuma ba no se ye no sa mo mu sa preparations ni ade they also come and then join us safely to me did say nyina ye boa na yen sa buy the man kwa na safe but nyina so be ya and kwa no they will be safe and they are safer in our school compound and even in the communities now or moody ground without any monetary supervision. School community no safer than that.
All right, sorry.
Me show discussion I have and I'm kind say maybe I'm say I buy 8-1 a month. Now say you have a discussion but I see you soon say you be buana but I buy this thing so I buy it me edusa it me do something person and I but I see this yamba say be attack and defend and to say raise issues are never enkoyi and I say be enkoyi na say I buy customer for and I say education ministry customer for no or be defensive and the mama say the say the issues no and to say class as the one I'm kind animal air between 60 and 70 na say almost say no cry almost na home the say PPs you know mention one region the one district pay of water amudi dia education so na say wakata sa we pam one pair in the wasema ono also say a delay into omo mo dia acha by the weekend so tia okay acha by the weekend no sabeka into the from Monday na EBS school PP is now we had 10 months to plan you close to school almost 10 months into still and we couldn't get our act right now you catch say by the weekend the mom which from sabeka dia and the teacher say yes still you see in the previous reopening attempts na yenimu say aban edi PPE suppliers in the break information and by pick up and say
oh okay
yes information as number one aban edi PPE suppliers in the break
aban the PPE suppliers in the break
exactly e ka ho enti o mo kai yeni bebre yeni bi no makasa
kwesi kwesi be ora sorry ba ma me bisa
education for us education for papa no no the way so be defend bibia
kwesi are you aware say abai the PPE suppliers in the car kwesi be
oh of course the issues
me ora sorry ba ma me clarification kakran free no kwesi are you aware yes we are aware
me say the query woman say about PPE procurement and distribution under the office of the senior minister. Ministry you send him with procurement and distribution and send him. Ghana Health Service in its near senior minister office. It is a more officer. If there's anything like that, they will be able to tell.
But as PRO for the Ministry of Education, you should be privy to some of this information.
It's not under our ministry to procure PPE. It's in military interest.
I see.
I mean, you know, yes, I say. I don't know. I don't know who yet. I just say, no, I do not say get the corner, and I say the corner. Oh, yeah, because you only know distribute a free senior minister in the corner. And you know, there are bottlenecks in the procurement process. Anything else to buying last year, this year, last year, and say after a first second reopening, they say a trend memorandum command. Reopening committee, because Ghana Health Service, because senior minister in a trend say. Someone decentralizing the procurement of PPEs and delays will be there because the procurement delays and the main cause of delayed receipt of PPEs in the schools. But Oman find it they are doing centralized procurement. Problem now what PPEs a procurement issue delays no. They say suppliers will say they work. And you know that's at the base of all these issues. And you know Papa say by the weekend, maybe a 1 week from Sabekan, a procurement issue. And you know, he's just trying to do damage control. But the real problem, the cost, a procurement issue.
Okay.
It's also means, it's very brief. Say, your class size is not a one. The only solution I want to say, you better run a shift system. You better say, run a shift system. Now, you've been about 35 in one class. Say, you better almost 70. Now you run the double, you run the single system. Now you be defending a class reduce. And you know, you stress a buying na sa loose guideline loose this is no among conquer enforce no mo issue directive say no class size will be more than 30. Experience I did last year, then you be na you think no my no class size will be more than 30 because we have 1 meter physical distancing now. JS classroom 80 square meters averagely 80 square meters. And we have a month I don't say the who distancing could by 1 meter all round that. There's no way I'm more than 35 if it's my classroom. There's the crowd which squeeze in space no which squeeze crowd no. So who maintain in space now 30. In 39 kind, it was based on a simulation in an average genius class. I say a boy and a recommendation at Ghana Health Service, UNESCO, World Health Organization. I'm the buyer say, you physically distance a classroom. Until me say a yet capacity, young conquer 35, maximum 30 in a class. Now, you split the class together.
Okay.
Now, challenge that, minimum say, a buying person or avoiding a or the teacher for tried the whole day. Teacher for us, they are ready to try the whole day. Now with your car with your now. Into they are trying to avoid say, you be I'm a pioneer we are. Not to see try there from an apart 7 o'clock after 4:30. But no, me say and avoidable. Ewo kokesi because class size of kokesi average class size in Accra about 60. Into no. Young face the boom, let's tackle the boom by the horn.
Okay.
Na yen temu, na ye tia for incentives bia. Ebe mo matia se no matra dia kosi 4:30 no. Na ye tina tra dia within a reasonably physically distanced classroom compliant with health protocols amampeni Ghana Health Service and UNESCO and a genius na kasa de ba ya EDP school obi akotro obi isi asensi no. Ayesa age e dia se ba yem pese e be ka say congestion into
okay. Sorry. Mame ndama so kwasi me da se pa che be dim komo me da se pa ura Kofi Asare, Executive Director, Africa Education Watch. Na ura kwasi obin fosu ekasa de the Ministry of Education ameno mo etwetwe enkomo no. Pastor Mario, I say now, if you talk about anything concerning the sitting president, they will say you are MPP, and vice versa. Okay, we in farm common okay. If we Kwadua, or say well done to you or Adum FM watching you live from North London. Nedia or de ebaye and no. Or say Nanado decided to reopen schools out of anger because he was not satisfied with the election results, especially concerning his much touted free SHS, which did not make any positive impact on the results. No wonder no PPEs has been distributed to school. Okay, Dr. Downblow, so there or they buy and no. Amisco Spelele Kaswa. Everybody must be aware that COVID-19 is a deadly disease that has to be prevented. The only way we can fight the virus is to wear our masks, sanitize our hands regularly, and practice social distancing. Let's all get involved to keep us safe, since the virus has no respect for mankind. Well, ever the one katana personal and 2 hours so Bell Chapman Vodafone the future is exciting. Ready in a Agbeve Herbal Center. Kwasi asempa atrasi. Kwasi.
Sige.
Asumdwen kan. Bibi aboko de.
Nyameti ase.
Ya de nyame ase.
Yeah.
Adre.
Yey.
Ewa.
Oh mea.
Se bibi aboko de.
Oh nyame ado.
Ya de nyame ase. Nkra no mu ko school.
Pose.
Nkra.
Jare.
Anti wo mu fie on. Ano ano ti.
Nezre ni KG2 di o ma nko enye hwe.
Wo mo nko thesis bia.
Amona mpasem si yekuro bi di.
Kwasi what na dey pen nti se eba no ye ka teacher fo ne adesua ne ade nsem sa no a
sige kwasi ho ye mo wa kakra
kwasi ben
ya kwasi
adwuma no
ho ye mo wa kakra I said you kwasi say wutie mi am mo ache indeed ono ankasa so wa teacher ni pen so I'm shocked. Surprise kwasi be kasa say as PRO or representing a ministry. And sometimes the Jumana a bit tricky. Your friend say you are not on top of it. sometime ubetumi akaso interview we de menyaya enka yemfa nhye da say said be ya ubetumi akada wo fact kwasi kan bibios ubisa no say before covid that class size in here 40 to 45 covid is so 40 to 45 I'm a bit surprised say as a ministry not just say no money any policy direction for the reopening of schools. Because I mean, you see a year interview amoka so GS the bibia beba betuja and the guidelines are GS the 2 dra kwesi ejina so they kase COVID abreso so 40 to 45 and I'm calling betting to the extent so kase or leave it to the discretion of some head teachers say the bay on class size. What is wrong? Why are they?
I mean, then why do we even come out with guidelines?
I'm surprised.
You don't give discretion. Say, Opa, Oshana class to do 90 now.
I am surprised. You were regulator of schools, Ghana Education Service, Ministry of Education. Ehona yefi na Ghana Education Service. Na mosumu difiwa aba enuntina education structure no sha. Ye wa was secure supervisors. Omo be ko akwa se enyo kosu ye was schools no. And it doesn't mean say Ministry of Education omoka so ye be school GSA still Monya 40 to 45 nkola na monkanche headmaster say nkola ne ba na omu ye chuwa munchem onim dia buy prevent most of the schools they say the urban say I was see a running shift system and sana yet to me I observe the protocols in without shift system, to me.
I'm afraid streams, first stream, second stream.
They are
stream.
running away from that. The investment in the education sector. They don't want to invest. Why? I don't put you and call at risk. Say, Omunko school, my BS school, and you are supposed to do investment and only their own. Why?
We had 10 months.
Yes, why?
To prepare, to plan. But 10 months.
Forgive me, Mamini Madiewe. Why? I'm putting in Kola at risk. 40 to 45. Bisa won't say even at the ministry. Bisa won't say putting measures in place. The bell Zeviana. Bisa kwesi say ni office or teno ni padodo omotiwo. Omwane dasotiwo. They run shift. Why? Because more penny you run shift for fear of COVID. Now, 40 fear, no more push your mama go school 40 to 45. And as a PRO, you are so happy. A baby catcher say before COVID 40 to 45, after COVID 40 to
within COVID.
Within COVID. What are you telling us?
Classroom no, the saying.
Now when you look, me try deal with VRA complex. I taught a class of about 50 students. A, B, C, D, E, F, J. That is one stream. Every class from 1 A to J, from 2 A to from 3 A to J. Now overcome 50 students in the gum. Now what's wrong, my dear? COVID that brace. Look, and run. I'm afraid, Michael Ebo. Or I could someone me be say COVID and she said, "Was share." I the artist who class now chan ya chemi
25.
Man kolani bi o kra na ndua so sem frama bo e wo ba bia anya COVID. We are trying to do all that. Now wo a PRO of a ministry.
Kwasi.
Beka bibicha wo for fatechiro moria. Wa ba beka say before COVID 40 to 45. COVID that braces so kolani kotena say 40 to 45. And you are so happy.
You do chira.
Asumdwe ka. I'm not sure about you over to you with the papers.
Adwa
me man do omada kora
e head obonkrata nimna
omada koshia
enkoye nim
de na wasanka abata ka ehubom ne ye no ayi omo ni so mu pia ye man ko gu school mu sa till date PP is a bit nkoduri. So what were they doing all this while?
Yeah, we've had 10 months and actually
unim de ma homete universities BA
and prepare.
Yeah, the case study universities BA man no money man koduri. Secondary for BA say adru nkra still ye nsu anyansan hunu kwan e befa so supply niama before
adwa na ni abre unse na ya abato afinti na
ma di omo kan pay one wi adi omo vote pay one wi
na ni abre
Mr. Ebe ka ye nyina amnyam krata akra na sare nko Ghanaian Times obo krata no wa ha wo wi abeka kire se obi ko frotro no nhye mask na mo ma directive se nkora nko school no mask na wai COVID-19 ehun sensem GPRTU for akasa Ghanaian Times obo krata the big one was it GPRTU descends on drivers no nose mask no passenger you say no shenkafo ne ametifo nyina yese wo nhye mask nipa ne nhye mask emfa no etimate fo no you say mask to bi o traffic mu mimi say mi dimate aka beto bi esika anim wo furo bi wan mahwemu nyina mo anim wan Ghana na yi ahye mo zan ma jim sika say bia ye di dwa idwadie dia bia bia timi kwaso eti GPRTU fo ni abre papa GJ Ghana Journalist Association wo mo so hold forum ya wo mo ene o manfo di nkita ho hwe attacks ba in Central Force so ametwale wo onso no 16th January 2019 na se mfie mienu nie enu achi ni mfie mienu ai enti GJ fo hold forum ane o manfo di nkomo ya wo mo de ne magu akwam task wo mo a ye hwem no hwemu se ni manimu ya no wo mo yehu bebi a hwehwemu no be kwa wie sanse central need to be free mu sa Ghanaian Times back page was the FDA destroys unwholesome food other products wo be ka ya won se ye bedi bronya no eniama na aka to na bro na expire baby so papa na no so ma FDA fo hu se wo so mo ti o mo go monte so eti nuane no mbondo nkomini ade bi Central Region empanifo agi ya wo mo ase ni nyina sanso mu hu se o mu jai ma ne badwa so a anhwe ya me ne omienu ye nkwa ba akoto asem ma mpanyini mu so petition no se ne
yeah
and empanifo kwa asetra
yeah
enti lawyer tatuti kata ene lawyer akoto ampaw ene mbeti eti o mu cha cha mu no mako akwa mahu sa go prama so mrantie no aba
wama banti adwane aye ne de ha ya ne di besi
ne nyina aye kwa
na afi meja akwan na wafo soro ho
covid aye mo aye ho so ya bi school me man dem so mutifie mu ko sua hwe nazire ne yayi KG2
Ghana
die no mgo so me panyini kwa mse me nkɔ na
adwa mo afie mo milo no mo no
milo de mo no mpa
wo mo no milo ebo amofra ne pa it's a champion eti ebo amofra no wo mo nompe ene wo muntini ma wo mahoden pa esane anura ewo mu intintiana pa breakfast de eno ani Milo with Milo every child is an MVP with Milo every child is a champion Milo the energy food drink of future champions